Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to integrate a database to our Celebrity Spark project. I'm going to be using PHP MySQL, which is phpMyAdmin for managing databases. Jump to Firefox, localhost phpMyAdmin. I'm going to be creating a database for our Celebrity Spark project. I added in a few chunk of code like the register. I want members to register, sign up, and it goes into our database. So let's get to work. Let's create a table in here. We're going to go into phpMyAdmin. As it loads on, the first thing is to create a database for the project, and number two is to create a table for the registration of users, a table that will enable me to get the username and the password. So I'll jump to databases tab. Right, I'm going to put in a table, a database name, Celebrities. You don't use spaces while naming a database, so it's best making use of an underscore, but don't space out names when creating a database. So I'm going to create. Alright, now it's being created. Now I have to create a table. I'm going to call this TBL users, or users on the system, number of columns. Let me just, let's make it 5 and go. Right in here, I'm going to set the user ID. User ID. I'm going to use the data type integer. I'm going to say length is 11, default is known, and the index, I'm going to add an index and name the user ID as the primary key of the project. And when you name a primary key, it means that it is the unique identifier of a particular data or record, in this our case the user. So I'm going to say primary. Okay, do that, go, and auto increment so that computer generates number for each of the user register. And I'm going to say username, say password, and username, so variable character, and is 55. Password is variable character, 55. And the default value is null. Null means when there is no value supplied, just put in a null value in there. I'm just going to use the last one to capture the dates registered. So come in here and put in, okay, let me just use timestamp, thereby using the system to generate the time. Timestamp uses the computer PC time, set the clock set in your computer as the time value. Alright, but in a bigger project you may not need to do this. You have to call in the date from your project. But to keep things simple, I will use timestamp. I'm going to use the default as current timestamp and attributes on update current timestamp. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and click save. Have my project saved. Now this is TBL users. It's an empty. If I try to browse, when it tell me empty resource set, because there is nothing in it. So we're going to see how to put information into this table. So we've created the database Celebrity Spark DB, and we've also created the table users. Now in the next video we'll see how we can use the member registration form to put information into the celebrities table, such that the username goes into the username column, the password goes into the password column, the user ID is generated by the computer, and the date is generated using the timestamp as I have explained earlier on. So see you in the next video.